everybody, my name is Ariella and I am the Done For You girl. I know you're probably watching me from work, but why are you at work? Come live your best life, be in Thailand, be on vacation like me every single day. I am helping people just like you. Some college, some no college, some absolutely no experience on the internet. Just like myself. I was a newbie and I understand where you're coming from. Do me a favor, or do yourself a favor. Click the button below and join me in my live training. Come here. This is my account balance. This is $92,000. That's what I make consistently every single month on autopilot. But forget me. Let me show you some real results of my students that are in my Done For You program, making money every single day. Come here. This is $6,000 a week. That's right, $6,000 a week, every single week, and you can make that as well. Click the button below, and if you did not get any value, I will give you $100 today. Click the button below and join me right now. Let's go.